My name's Todd Kortte. I'm the trip leader for the GoPro video workshop in the Cayman Islands. We just spent a week in paradise with over 100-foot visibility and 84-degree water. Let me show you what it looked like. The water was a very comfortable 84 degrees. Clear water, flat seas, great diving, amazing food, white sandy beaches, coconuts, iguanas, even the sponges were happy. The little Cayman Beach Resort was straight out of a postcard. The squid were the highlight of the week. Normally squid keeps a good distance from you, but we're lucky enough to get a few squid that seem to like the attention, or maybe their reflections in our lenses. One of our dive masters showed us how to talk to the squid with hand gestures that mimic the arms of the squid. By curling up a couple fingers, you can spark the interest of the squid. A few of us tried it. I'm not sure if it worked out or not, but it did seem to catch their attention. One of the most photographed walls in the Cayman Islands is the Great Wall West, a 90-degree drop to 6,000 feet deep. The dive master brought us all off the wall to get a good feel of the magnitude and the presence of the wall. It definitely made us feel a little small. Some of the giant barrel sponges are said to be around 2,000 to 3,000 years old. Some were larger than refrigerators, over 6 feet in diameter and or height. To think they've been living in our oceans for more than 2,000 years was something to admire and respect. A 45-minute boat ride to Cayman Brac Island lies the wreck of the MV Captain Keith Tibbets, a 330-foot Russian frigate owned by Cuba and intentionally sunk in 1996 to be made into an artificial reef. The turret guns remain in place and make for great videos. The wreck was ripped in half from Hurricane Ivan in 2004. Hurricane season runs from July to November. This was a GoPro video workshop. We had time in classrooms for presentations and also time on the boat to cover video topics and videography tips. Okay, time for another workshop. We're reviewing the divers' videos. We've got some really amazing shots that are coming out of this week with all the tutorials on the types of shots and the video settings. The water here, the clarity is amazing. Bright and sunny, and the clear water just lights up the world. So the ambient light is perfect. You almost don't need video lights. But I'm explaining the difference between ambient light and video light so you know how to maximize the light and the potential and figure out what shoot and how to shoot it in the best scenarios. So we're gonna go in and look at more videos right now and do some more workshop action. These are the topics I cover in my workshops. If you want to learn about these topics and shooting underwater video, check out my future trips at the links below. I also covered how to use the GoPro QR codes. These QR codes contain the best underwater settings for the GoPro cameras. You can instantly change camera settings underwater by putting the QR code in front of your GoPro. The divers attending this workshop got some amazing shots. Let's take a look at some of them. Well, that's it. That wraps up our week in paradise. If you're interested in joining me for another GoPro workshop, check the links below.